It's fair to say that often renovations and alterations are driven by aesthetics, right? We don't like the look of this bench top or the colour of the door handles or the layout. And so while we might start going, I don't like this, we might also then start to uncover a few other things about the building that we're in. So looking around this space here, well, it's hard to ignore this. I mean, I can dig right through the flooring just with my bare hands, and well, I can see the ground down below there. So you've got to then determine, okay, well, we can't not fix this, so this now has to become part of the project. Then you've got to go, well, if I'm going to fix it, how am I going to prevent it in the future? Does that mean changing the joinery or dealing with flashings? Is it an issue with moisture inside here? By the look of it, this floor, never had any waterproofing, and yet it's in a wet area. Going forward, part of this project is going to be dealing with that. So moisture in the ground there, maybe from a leak, maybe from internal moisture. I'm looking around it as well, and you can kind of get the sense that the building's subsiding. It's sort of sagging into one corner, and if I look up here, I can identify a crack at the top of the wall and through the scotia. And what that's indicating is that this whole plane, this whole elevation, is tilting down. So if that's secure and this is lower, then there's movement there. Looking across at this window here, I could grab a level, but just by eye, I can tell that it's sinking into that corner. And the bench top looks like it's got a bit of a fall. So this whole space is moving down. And I guess the challenge for a client, for a homeowner, is how do I control the scope? How does this project not suddenly become much bigger than I was expecting? Part of that will be engaging with your contractors beforehand. Get them in, get their experience and get their eyes on site. So you might say, I want to change the bench, but they'll go, hey, what about we deal with that? Hey, what about we deal with that? Have that discussion early on so you know where you're going with your project.